Welcome back to a new video. Today I am going to be flip throughing / reviewing a little bit of this workbook, Common Core Math for Today Daily Skills Practice. I just finished filming the Common Core Connections Language Arts video, so I thought that I should film this one right away because they are pretty similar, obviously. They are from the same company, Carson DeLosa, but the only thing different is the subject. Let me back this camera up a little bit. So this is Common Core Math for Today Daily Skills Practice, Grade 1. This is from Carson DeLosa Education. I don't know if that's the same thing as the publishing one and the language arts one, but here it is, correlates to current state standards, carsondelosa.com. Common Core aligned daily practice paired with weekly assessments, reading to use for reading. Wow, Aerosol. Ready to use for warm-up centers or early finishers. Reproducible, a full 40 week of activities. And here are some of the pages. It's in black and white. Let's flip the back. Reinforce current state standards all year long in only 10 minutes a day. Common Core Math for Today Daily Skills Practice provides the perfect standards-based activities for each day of the week. Review essential skills during a 4-day period and assess on the 5th day for easy progress monitoring. Check out these other great Carson DeLosa products. Here are some of the other products that they offer. So, like the last video, I'm going to explain first when I will be using this book. I will be using this book at the end of first grade with them as a review type of book to see if they are up to date when it comes to Common Core or the state standard. I looked through this book when I first got it, and Monique and David can do everything in this book. Like, I'm serious. They can do everything in this book. Like, what? This is so weird to me. Like, maybe because I know that they're advanced when it comes to math, but like a lot of the things here are like too easy for them. Let's open it up. So the way that this works, if you did not understand the beginning, ew, there's like crumbs. Sorry about that. If you did not understand the beginning, there are 4 days. So day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. So let's say Monday. It's Monday, and also it says the week here. So it's why am I stuttering? Monday. So your student would do this one right here on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So they're technically only doing one little box a day. You could have them if you are a homeschool teacher or maybe a public school teacher, and you want to. You could have the student have them do the whole page in one day, or maybe have them do 2 boxes. Really depends on you. But here's the first page, and so it's having the child count the objects to help you solve the problem. Here's the other day, day 2, day 3, day 4, and like they said at the day 5th at the beginning, day 5th is an assessment. So it's just assessing if the child understood everything that they were supposed to understand when it came to the first week. Here is week 2. Really simple, black and white, nothing, like, it's not crazy. Really, really easy. And there are a couple of, like, days where they're gonna ask you like to ask a classmate. You could skip that one, or if you're a homeschool parent, or the way that you can do it is just have your child ask people around the house, or ask their friends, or you can skip it. I may skip it, I may not. It really depends if we have people in the house when we're doing this. Really, really easy work. It's so easy. Like, I'm thinking to myself, it's like, is this what they're gonna learn in public school when it comes to grade 1? Because I am looking at my first grade math curriculum that I'll be using for first grade. They're so advanced in that curriculum. So I'm like, maybe school is not, doing what they're supposed to do. Like, kids can learn a lot more in 1 year. You don't have to be so slow. Like, this is so easy. So they focus, as you see, on addition and subtraction. They focus on medium, long, short. Circle the square. Look at this. 8 minus 2 equals 2 plus. That's interesting. 3 number addition. Really easy work. Monique and David are in kindergarten and they can do this. So you have to think about that. Think about that, homeschool parents. You're doing the right thing by homeschooling your children. So let's skip. This is week 22. Let's skip to week 32. And this is, you know, they started doing tally marks, some sentence, like number sentence. But it's still like I like this because it's constantly repeating itself. So like, for example, the language arts, sorry, let me put that here. The Common Core language arts is not repetitive. Like, it would teach phonics in a couple, you know, it would teach phonics and then it won't come back to it. It would teach reading comprehension and it won't come back to it. So if you are looking for something that is more spiral, and this is a little bit more of like a mastery program, if you're looking for a spiral, get the 4Today, I don't know if you can see that, but it's going to say language arts for today if you're looking for a spiral curriculum. But if you're looking for a mastery curriculum, the Common Core Connection is really good. Okay, let's continue. This is so easy. Like, this would be a book that I would like have given the kids in the beginning of like first grade, or like the summer before they go to first grade, because this is so easy for them. But we are using another workbook. But here we have the answer keys. It's 88 pages of work. Show you the answer key. Just simple. Let's see. More answer key. More. So there is how many weeks? No. Let's actually go back and now let's tell you how many weeks are in this book. Okay, there's 40 weeks in this book. So this is the last assessment that your child will be doing. If 18 plus 2 is 20, then 2 plus 18 is 20, obviously. 60 minus 60. Riley has 7 red flowers, 7 yellow flowers, and 1 orange flower in a vase. How many flowers does Riley have in the vase in all? Riley has in the vase in all. How many hands? Tall is the horse. The horse is blank tall. 90. Take away 60. Oh God, how easy is this? This is like, I don't know. I just find it super interesting how like this is what Common Core thinks a child needs to know for math. But then when I was looking into this, maybe it's different because this is the 4Today and that's connections. Maybe like if I get the language arts 4Today, it will be similar to that. But like I definitely recommend getting this one. Like I think they have okay, yeah, they do. They have Common Core Connections for math. I recommend getting that one because this is like super easy. This is more of like a kindergarten work. When I was flipped through in this language arts book, the work was way more advanced. So look into both books, see which one fits your family. If you have any questions about the math, Common Core math for today, let me know. Also, I will link down my Instagram, ECA Homeschool, with the little line at the bottom. If you guys have any questions about any of the books that I review or any questions at all when it comes to homeschool, shoot me a message and I'll answer as soon as possible because I'm always on social media. And I'll see you guys in another video. Have a nice day.